What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. Baylee got her shots yesterday, so she's very fussy. I'm getting ready to make her some breakfast and just kind of show you a day in the life, how our weekdays go. I have some errands to run today. I have the house to clean today. I have some videos to record today. And actually, my granny offered to keep Baylee for a little bit today. Probably after breakfast, after we get ready and everything, I'm going to let my granny keep her so that I can get some things done, because yesterday I took Baylee to the doctor and I tried to get some things done. I had to run into a place and fill out some papers. I ended up having to leave. I'm gonna have to go back there today, but I ended up having to leave because Baylee was screaming and jumping all over the place and it was just crazy. So anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and I'm about to make some breakfast and some coffee, so let's go. Did you make all this mess? Did you eat all your snacks? Looks like you threw your cookie in the floor. Want some milk? I'll get you some milk. Hang on, okay? Ooh, yum. Look how yummy. Yum. We have eggs and strawberries. And Mama has orange juice. And Baylee has some whole milk. Nummy, nummy, num. Are you hungry? Let's go. Another bite? You love strawberries and eggs, don't you? Mmm, yeah. Is that so good? So for today's... Can you please quit pulling my vlog camera string? Thank you. So for today's agenda, Baylee. You're mean. I don't. What are you so mean for? Huh? Why are you so mean? I actually have a few errands to run. I need to go pay the water. Excuse me. Excuse me. So I actually need to go pay the water bill. Probably need to check the P.O. box. I had a list and I don't even know what I wrote on it now. Oh yeah, I need to call the college. I may have to go to the college to add more classes. I have about 2 or 3 videos that I had planned to record for today. Oh my god. What's wrong? What's wrong, huh? So around this time, Baylee will usually get in her car seat because after I get ready, we're gonna leave. I'm about to take Skye out, but I just wanted to clean up the living room a little bit. So I picked up all of Bailey's toys. Bailey's watching a show, but it's on an ad. But I just kind of picked up the living room a little bit and straightened up the blankets and throw pillows and everything. I actually need to turn the TV off and the Xbox off. Baylee clicks it on and off like all the time. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I just cleaned up like a little bit, and then in here I made the bed. I don't know why this light is so like yellow, but anyways, I made the bed, and then I need to find somewhere to put this mattress of Bailey's. And I actually turn this lamp off because we're not using this room right now. So yeah, this is pretty much my everyday routine. Is basically what I do every day. We wake up. I didn't record all of her diaper changes though. Just know that she's had a lot. She poops a lot a day, where that she's just now starting to eat solids more and get off of formula. So she's eating a lot more, so she is pooping more. So anyways, I didn't show all of her diaper changes. So we wake up and then we usually have a diaper change, get some milk for Baylee, have breakfast, have brunch because sometimes she sleeps in because she goes to bed late. Hey! What's wrong, huh? What? Around this time is when she takes her nap, but I usually let her play for a little bit while that I clean up. She doesn't scream while I'm not talking. And then after I get everything sort of cleaned up, I will put her in her car seat while that I get ready and take Skye outside to use the bathroom. She'll usually watch a show on the laptop or on the TV, usually Mickey Mouse, Baby Shark, something like that. And then usually if I give her a bottle, she will fall asleep on her own. And then I can either get something done that I need to get done, or I can go out run errands, whatever. But on this particular day, my granny asked if she could keep her some. So here in a little bit, I'm going to take her to my granny's and run some errands. She's so fussy. So just to show you guys a few of Bailey's snacks, she loves these yogurt bites. These are the banana ones. She's right now eating one of these arrowroot cookies. She absolutely loves these, like no joke. She loves them so much. It's kind of bright. And then some new ones that I got that she hasn't really tried yet is the little crunchies vanilla maple. She hasn't tried those yet. The waffle wheels, these are the banana cream. I think she has tried one of those. And then of course just the regular like little puffs. We have a ton of those. She loves those. And then a new one that I got is the organic little crunchies. It's the white bean hummus. And just the mild cheddar ones. She also has some more snacks in the kitchen, which I'm going to show you guys, but that's just the ones that we kind of keep in here for her to snack on in the living room. Honestly, we're running out of room in this little basket here. So usually in the living room I keep this basket. Well, this is her little play area. It used to be a lot prettier till I got her room fixed. Now it's just a mess. But and then usually I keep a ton of diapers in this. We actually need to go buy diapers, so that's why it's not full. And then this one is just full of all kinds of different wipes in there. And my phone's ringing. And just a few little snacks that I have for her in the kitchen. I just keep her juice in here. I actually probably need to put this in the refrigerator. And then we have the banana toddler cookies. She hasn't really tried these yet. Tried to give her some last night and she threw them, so I don't know about that. These cereal bars, they're the strawberry banana and they're the Gerber. She loves these. And then of course I got her some of these little pouches. If we go somewhere, I usually like to take one of these with us just because they're really easy. Sometimes she'll have them for like lunch too. So that's some more snacks that we have in here for her. And then usually I have a couple snacks up here. That's just some toddler formula. I haven't tried that yet. And then in here I have all of her cereals and baby foods and everything like that. So yeah. So I wanted to show you guys all of those options because I didn't know they had so many different options, but it's all like in the baby aisle, which I shop mostly at Walmart, but it's in the baby aisle and like the baby food. And if you look at the end of the aisle, it's like they have tons and tons of snacks for babies. But Baylee is honestly getting to the age now where she's wanting like Cheetos and like adult snacks, but like smaller portions. She actually does really good with Cheetos or French fries, stuff like that. She does really good with cookies, crackers. She's honestly doing really good. And so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. So we made it to the car. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared because the other day me and Baylee were walking in the yard and there was a snake and it like went underneath our back porch, and that's the porch that we like are always around, and it was just super scary, but we made it. So let's go. We're heading to my granny's to take Baylee, and then I need to come back and record a video. I also have some other things to do, so we'll see what all we get done. My hair is like super wild today. So I just got home from taking Baylee, and then I also went and took the trash out. That is my least favorite chore, and usually I have to do it because Seth works all like business hours when the trash dump is open, so I usually have to take it. So I just went and took all the trash off, and now I'm going to record my video for tomorrow, which will be up the day before you guys see this. It is a declutter and organize with me. It's a collab with my friend The Lifestyle, so I will have it linked in the iCard so you guys can go watch that video. So I just finished filming my video that is a collab, and it will be up already. I think I already told you guys that. Seth is home and getting ready to go see what he's doing, but also I changed because I changed for the video, so I'm gonna change back and let's go see what Seth is doing. Ugh. Also, we're gonna go get Baylee. Where are you at? Hello? What are you doing? It won't focus. What are you doing, huh? Oh, okay. So I cleaned in here, and I cleaned in here, and well, you guys already saw a lot of that. Babe, what are you looking for?
My what? You got it?
No.
Yeah, you do. Right.
Good job. Whoop. Oh my goodness. She tries to run. What are you doing? Oh, gee, sorry. Baylee.
About what?
Baylee. Baylee. Hi. So that is basically our everyday routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you're not already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?